So here's how we can save Google Documents on the iPhone. Let me show you how it works. And if this is your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you that way never miss anything important. So as you know, Google Documents have their own dedicated platform and app. It's called Google Docs. And once you get inside, you obviously need to have access to all of your stuff. You just want to make sure you are signed in with your a Google account right there. But once you get inside, you get to browse all of your documents in one place, which are, of course, all stored or created through the Google platform. But the point is that if you want to save any of them and store it somewhere else, it's pretty simple because all you have to do is just to either open it up or you can just click on the three dots right next to it. And of course, all of the options are going to appear. You might want to click on a share. That might be like the first thought. But when you click on this, it basically lets you just type in like a different Gmail address, which you want to like share access to that file with the different people. But instead, if you want to just save it locally, just tap on the three dots and click on a send a copy. So when you click on this, you basically see that this document is like exported within the iPhone's operating system, and you can now decide where you want to save it. Most likely you want to click on a save to files, right? Which is it's just going to move it over into the Files app as this file right there. Or you can also use a different app. For example, you can move it right inside of a different text editor or whatever else you have available. But I guess that is the option that you are looking for. So let me know what you think about the whole thing below in the comments. Subscribe for more tips and tutorials like this one, and I'll talk to you later.